So, some of the things you're going to need is aluminum foil, a hammer, and some scissors. So, what I'm going to start with is I'm going to take the aluminum foil out of here and I'm going to roll it out until I have a decent amount to crumple. So let's start with this. I'm going to stick the rest of the tin foil wrapper back in the box. And that leaves us with the remaining tin foil. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to start crumpling it as tightly as I can. So that leaves us with this. This is smaller than I expected. It's getting compacted, so I might have to use a little more tin foil than I expected to. So, we're going to get the sheet back out and get some more. I'm going to stick the tiny tin foil ball inside this. And crumple it up even further. So I'm gonna at least try to keep it round like a marble rather than hammering it back into the square like I was. So. This is what I have so far. I'm going to continue to hammer it. It still isn't at the size I want it, so I'm going to add a little more tin foil. My battery is running low on this camera, so I might have to continue it on my phone. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this inside and wrap it up even further. And then I'm going to hammer this out. Not going as planned. marble shape. It's just at this point it's a square. So I'll continue on and see. Okay. It's now gotten to the point where it's not even round anymore. It's not a square, it's just solid and flat. I am pretty positive that I screwed this up. I'm going to continue going. If I can't have a mirror ball, then I'll just have a flat piece of mirror. So I'll continue milling out and see how it goes. So, my final thoughts on the mirror ball challenge. This is what I got. It certainly is not a mirror ball, but I can understand how some people got it to be a mirror ball. After you hammer it out for a little bit, it starts to get smoother and it starts to become like reflective. Mine is just a sad mess of tinfoil. But if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what other challenges I should do that are relatively safe, please.